In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Docs offline, step by step. If you ever travel, lose your connection, or just want the peace of mind that your work won't stop when the internet does, this setup will make that happen. Start by opening Google Docs or Google Drive in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where your files live. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser like Chrome or Edge on a computer, then head to docs.google.com or drive.google.com. Next, open Settings. In the top left, click the main menu icon and choose Settings. This is where you turn on offline access so you can create, open, and edit files even when you're not connected. Find the offline option and switch it on. Your browser will begin preparing your device by downloading what it needs in the background. Keep the window open and give it permission if prompted. This doesn't grab everything at once. It focuses on your recent and important files so the setup stays quick and storage friendly. When you're asked to confirm, click OK and wait for it to finish. You might see a brief progress message as Docs and Drive cache files locally. If you're on a laptop, it's a good idea to stay plugged in and keep your computer awake until it wraps up. Once the setup is complete, you're ready to edit offline. When you don't have internet, open Google Docs or Drive the same way as usual. Your recent documents will appear and you can open them, make changes, and even create new ones. Everything saves safely to your device. You don't need to press any special buttons, just work as you normally would. If there's a specific document you always want available, you can make it available offline manually. Right-click the file and toggle available offline to on. This pins that file so it's ready even if it's not in your recent list. And here's the best part. Your changes will sync automatically when you reconnect to the internet. There's nothing extra to do. Docs and Drive will match everything up for you. If a page doesn't refresh right away after you're back online, a quick reload usually does the trick. That's all you need to edit Google Docs offline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.